Hello everyone, it's Peter, your personal face exercise coach from FACEROBICS. Today I'm going to talk to you about what happens if you over-exercise your face and how it affects your skin. So stay with me and I'll be back soon. Hello everyone, thanks so much for coming by today. I really do appreciate it. Today I'm going to talk to you about what happens to your skin if you over-exercise your face. But first, please do remember to subscribe to the channel, because when you subscribe to the channel, you get all these great updates. Now all this is free to you on YouTube, so if you subscribe, please do remember to hit the notification bell, because YouTube will then send you when I have a notification when I have uploaded a video. Now it's really important that you watch all of these videos, because you will then get incredible knowledge and information and tools on how to do the facial exercises in my program correctly. So please do it, because it will help you. Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you about what happens to your skin if you over-exercise. Now your skin is a very delicate ecosystem, okay? Even though it's very strong, it also can go out of whack very quickly. And when it starts when you start overstimulating your skin, you can do this in many ways. You can do it with devices that you might use, obviously facial exercises if you do too many. You can do it, it gets overstimulated if you eat a lot of hot food. All of this type of stuff does make an impact on your skin. So when you're over-exercising, what happens is that your skin will start to dehydrate. So hold your finger up. If there's wrinkles there, little tiny sort of long wrinkles that go horizontal, you can say that your skin is starting to dehydrate. Now when your skin does dehydrate, what happens is that the skin itself just starts to hang. I'm not talking about the muscles at this stage, I'm just talking about the skin. Because remember, the skin and the muscles are two different things. The skin just starts to hang, it starts to look a bit sallow, which means it starts to look a bit grey or just a grey looking around your face. You have this sallow look and it starts to look tired. Now the other ways that you can overstimulate your skin is through using devices too much, or using a number of devices. I know that everybody has this idea in their head that the more they do on their face, the better. I'm not sure where that came from, you know, like I just said, it addles my brain, because it's actually the opposite. The less you do on your face, the better and healthier your skin is. So if you're using too many devices, for instance, and I know people out there do it, because a lot of people email me and say, I've got this device, I want to buy yours too. Why would you do that? You've got one device, just go ahead and use that one, okay? Even if you haven't bought mine, if you've got a device, don't worry about buying mine. I'd like you to buy mine, of course, but you don't need to, because you've already got one that you can use. But if you have a device that you use on your face, like a red light device or a microcurrent, only use it once a week if you're doing facial exercises. Because again, it will overstimulate your skin. And then what you'll find is that you'll start getting broken capillaries. Your skin will take on a ruddy look, like it will start looking thick. And it just generally looks bad. It might get itchy. These are the things that happen when you overstimulate. And I'm always telling people, do not do too much, because whilst your skin is something that is amazingly strong, it also is amazingly weak. Using these man-made things like devices, it can break down the skin. So please be very careful what you're doing, especially if you are doing facial exercises. So if you are doing facial exercise, my exercises, I ask you to do them 5 days a week. Then I say do the massage and do the power lift, and then I say rest on the next day. So if you use a device, don't do the power lift. Just do the massage, or use your device and then do the massage, and then let it rest the next day. And you'll be amazed at how your skin starts to respond to rest. Okay? We don't need to be touching it all the time. We don't need to be obsessed with it. And especially when you're doing facial exercises and you find a wrinkle or you discover a wrinkle, you know, it might be that you become obsessed with that. The more you play with it, the more you fiddle with it, the worse it's going to become. The exercises are designed to lift the face. So just trust me with that. And my exercises do work. Because they work on me, it means they're going to work on you as well. And I say this because none of us are special. I know we all think we're special. I know we all think, oh, my nose is a problem, or my lips are a problem, or I've got saggy jowls, I've got to do more, I've got to target it, or I've got wrinkles here, I've got to target it. It's a myth. It's a myth. You don't have to target anything. All you need to do is a full face routine. Once you do that full face routine and do it the way that I'm showing you in the FACEROBICS program, you will have amazing success. Okay? And I would say this is across any sort of facial exercise program that's out there, that if you do too much of their exercises as well, the same thing will happen. Also, mixing the exercises from one program to another. I hear this all the time and I'm actually absolutely horrified. Stick with one program. If you don't want to do my program, that's fine. It's fine. But go and do another program and stick to it. Don't mix the exercises up. Because again, you can get into a situation of over-exercising. And I try to tell everybody, but it doesn't seem to, people find it so hard to follow instructions. They think, oh, well, I'm special. I like the way my nose is, so I'm going to leave that out. Well, if you do that, what's going to happen is if you do all the other exercises, your face is going to start to lift and your nose is then going to start to droop because it's pushing up against. You know, you can see it. The muscles are lifting. You're not doing the nose exercise, so it's going to droop even more and you're going to have more of a problem. Just listen to what I'm saying and then you'll find that you'll have more success. So please do remember what I'm trying to say. Please do follow the program. Please don't overstimulate your face. Please do not over-exercise. Follow the program as I've laid it out. 50 repetitions, 100 repetitions, 150 repetitions. Overlay it with the exercises that I've given you to overlay that with, and you'll have amazing results. Alright guys, now if you want my videos to be translated into your language, there's a link below now. I'm having all my videos translated by all you wonderful people out there. I only speak Australian and Australian slang, so I can't translate anything. So please do go ahead and give it a go. The link is below here in the description box. It says translate my videos, and then the link will take you to a special place that YouTube will give you to translate the whole video. If you could do that, it would be fantastic. Alright guys, like the video. Go ahead and make a comment if you need to comment on this, and please do, even if you share the videos, go ahead and share it around as well. I'd really appreciate that. Alright, well, you have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.